All right, so we've retimed the engine. We got it top dead center. Should be okay. We got all the front back on. We don't have water in the radiator, but we're just gonna crank it over. We got brand new spark plugs, and we used a different kind. The old ones were 35s, these were 45s. So I recommended to use those. And so we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. All right, Connor. All right. Let's give her a shot.
Going.
We forgot to put in the voltage for the starter, the HEI. Yeah, I didn't have that on. That'll make it not run every time. All right, give her a shot. Go ahead. Why'd you start cranking?
Oh, I thought you should do this.
No, sorry.
Oh, I thought, yeah, I saw this. I thought.
Oh, I heard something. I thought it was still cranking.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, go ahead and start it up again. God, I hate that. We need a new starter. Go ahead.